Hello everybody, here we have the mic that we just received. This is the TZ from Steeler X2. Reviews have said this is one of the most incredible mics in the range, in this range of price. So basically we're gonna do the unboxing to see what's inside the box. And here we have a metal box actually. That was in the description. Everybody was talking about it, and it's very good looking actually. So here we have a case so you can protect your stuff. You have some locks in here. There's a handle. Have it, information right here regarding what's inside, and some text of the microphone. Let's see what's inside. Oh, cool. Papers, so manuals, descriptions. You have this, a pocket, so you can save anything up there. Cover for the microphone. You have a mountain base. Very cool. Looks very professional actually. And at the end you have right here the actual microphone. It's actually heavy, more than what I expected. So having this now in my hand, it's kind of impressive, actually. So you can see over there, Steeler X2 from TZ Audio Products. Okay, let's see how it performs once we install it. But actually, very good looking, the case, the box, and descriptions of the stuff inside. Thank you.